Okay, back at University Square here. Look at all the units here again. Got these AM stands over right here. They're all gonna be like the same here probably. I'm just gonna get those off those too. Bunch of trucks here, so I gotta be kind of careful. This is Trane XR. LG. Gross. These units. Might go around those two. Daikin here is running. Or actually, no, that's an exhaust fan, my bad. Should have reciprocating in it. Daikin here. New Carrier Sentry. It wasn't here last time. There's also been some new XRs installed here. This one was here last time. Tiny Ryan. This one should be straight cool. This is chassis was only producing straight cool. These XRs, I don't think that one was there last time. This one was. This one wasn't here last time, I don't think. Free. Soul Trane right here, 1984 plastic row. It's a really nice unit. I got the ass before. I need to get it again. Older Carrier comfort performance. Used to have an original compressor. Trane XB. Have a comfort. Couple of XRs. Other one should be identical. Actually looks a little older. Couple more XRs. One of them looks new. Yeah, this wasn't here last time. Can't recall what it replaced. It looks like an XB10. This one's a straight cool unit. It's a Gemini. Not the same stand silver in this Carrier packaged unit. Higher end model, as you can see. Yes. Carrier. This one, I believe, is a dual fuel. See something frozen over there. XB and XR. This is an act standard. You're both silver that size. Trane XB and a comfort. There's be another new XR back here. I don't remember that one being here. This Gemini's been running. Odyssey compressor. Okay, there's Comfort and Odyssey over here running. Odyssey. Just lever. An old ride. Appears to be a much older one. That she's gone. Beats really well for its era. Odyssey. Two trains are still here, two old ones. There's another 84. Original blade on that one. The Odyssey over there is running. These two XBs here. Carrier, commercial. One of these Odysseys is running. Base model. This one's a straight cool unit. Ascendant. Carrier package unit. American Standard. This one has a recip in it. Armstrong Air. A couple of Geminis and a XB. There's a new Daikin and they split. Daikin's right here. Gemini's over here. Starting to sprinkle a little, so gotta hurry up. This Comfort's running over here. This was a very cool unit. That thing will pass through this train right here. Train. I wonder why straight cool units running while it's in like the mid 40s out. I don't know. That can be pretty common. Over units over here. It's a base model. It's Comforts and Geminis. last time I was at one of the other buildings. It was really iced up earlier. Just when I was talking about it, it was really iced up. God dang. Some more over here. One of these are running. I think it's both of them. Have both of them. One of these are running. Just trains. Doesn't freeze. Just shut off. Janky LG in that. These two Executives. Got this one running last time. Pretty nice sounding. So as it's climb tough. New XR over here. I don't think this one was here last time. No, it wasn't. I think this replaced an Executive. I can't really recall though. This one from 2017, so it was definitely here. One of these late 2000s comforts here. These aren't too common. And it's got a repressor. Good. That is long gone. I'll skip those.